Hello friends, today we will learn how to apply the eyeliner on the eye areas so that you look beautiful. Yeah, the example is something like this. So friends, everyone can use eyeliner. But the way you use the eyeliner is an art which different people use at different times. The method that I'm using to use the eyeliner today you can use liquid eyeliner or also solid form of eyeliner. Everyone can form the eyeliner easily without making it messy. But wait a minute, I think I am applying it. Make sure that the lines that you form while applying the liner is proper and it does not get messy at any cost. Oops. I think I made a mistake, so I will use cotton bud to make it right on the eye area. I apologize because I applied the eyeliner in not a very good way. Maybe I applied the eyeliner a little too much. There was a problem while applying it. I really apologize for this mistake. I think I've applied it really very badly. So I apologize again to all of you. Actually, I don't know how come I made this mistake. I thought that maybe I applied it properly. So now I will erase it properly with a cotton bud, like you can see over here. Each eyeliner come in different form. Remember that. Okay, I think this problem has been solved. Now we will start applying the eyeliner on the other eye. Not too much this time, we will apply it properly and carefully so that we don't make the same mistake again. Form it in straight lines like you can see over here and stretch it all the way to the other side also. You have to make sure that when you use the eyeliner on the other eye, it has to match the first eye. You can use eyeliner in the form of liquid also and in also gel forms which are available in the market. So you can use any type of eyeliner forms. Which I have already told you before. Okay, so now I will So this is the first time I use this type of eyeliner, so that's why I'm making this mistake. Please forgive me for this mistake. It's a minor mess. I will not make it again. Okay, so now I'm using the cotton bud again on the other eye also, so that we can make the same kind of eyeliner form on both the eyes. Alright, I will try to fix some of the eye area which I have made a big mistake, I think. But I guess it is my first time, so please forgive me. But I am trying to make it proper so that it looks equal on both the sides of the eyes, and I think it is looking okay now. Don't you think so? So now apply it nicely, and I think, yeah, again I have to sort it on both the sides so that actually I have a very little time to apply the eyeliner today, but usually we do have less time, and in that time we should apply it properly. See here, this corners I need to apply. Little by little, apply it properly. Apply it properly again so that I don't make the same mistake. I think this looks really very good. Liquid eyeliner is a very dependable form of eyeliner which can be used regularly, or you can also use the gel form. So it is important that even if you use the gel form, you have to apply it properly, and if you make a mistake, then you should correct it. So now bat your eyelashes and make the corners proper, because the corners are very important. See, so now I will use the cotton bud on the other eye and make it proper also. I think this looks good, but I have to make it perfect because I'm very particular about my eyelashes. See, the brush is a little too thick, I think. That's why there is a problem which is coming while applying the eyeliner. But you can also use kind of brushes that are good for your eye type or something that you're comfortable with. Comfort level is very important. Bye. My eyeliner is done, so I hope you also try it.